How to post a video on TikTok and Instagram at the same time. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post a video on TikTok and Instagram at the same time. So first go to your TikTok. Now tap on post, tap on upload and choose one of your videos.
How to send a video.
For example, I choose this video. Now all you need to do is click on next. Click on Instagram and Facebook and WhatsApp icon like this. I choose Instagram. Now click on post and the video will be posted on your Instagram and TikTok. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.